Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the core premise and the reader you're writing for. This guides every AI output. Once done, pick one primary model and one editing tool and set clear token and length limits to avoid drift. Then build 5 prompt templates: outline, scene draft, dialogue polish, research fetch, and tone adjust, so you can run repeatable prompts. Make sure to save template variables like POV stakes and word count targets for consistent generation across chapters. You transform the outline into chapter drafts by feeding scene prompts that include purpose, beat list, and estimated word count. Once a draft exists, iterate. Ask the AI to critique, apply your edits, then regenerate. Repeat roughly 3 passes to stabilize structure and voice. Use role-play prompts to inhabit characters and escalate conflict, and run short research prompts when facts are needed. As you proceed, track continuity notes and tag unresolved threads so you can resolve them systematically before the final polish. You finish by running targeted prompts for line edits, pacing fixes, and voice consistency. Ask for alternatives in bullets to pick the best phrasing. Once polished, export a formatted manuscript and prepare a 1-page synopsis plus metadata for publishing platforms. Then create cover copy and a short blurb. If something goes wrong, say the tone drifts. Reset by feeding the AI 2 fresh exemplar paragraphs that demonstrate the correct voice. Then regenerate affected sections to restore consistency and momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.